Welcome to Las Vegas Morning Kung Fu. Today we're gonna show you a tutorial about how to do high flip without your hand. So let's go. Welcome back. So today we're gonna show you a few ways how to do high flip without your hand, definitely. So let's start the first one, preparation, warm up your neck. So we have Jaden today, like this, and cross your finger. And to do a little warm up, circle around, perfect. And then we go circle left to right a couple times, very good. And go other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put your both hands down the floor and put your head. So we go a little stretching. You go to your right leg this way. So you can really stretching and different angle, right? So we go front and back and left and right. So you put both hands on the floor and you put your head like a triangle. So you put your head like a triangle, right? So maybe this way. So you got to hold your hand. So very important. So you try by your knee and you go straight. So if your leg straight, top point, and you can balance. So this is very important to keep your body straight and your neck have the control with power. So you'll be really strong in your neck and you're not getting injured when you do high flip. So this exercise you should do more often. The longer you do, the stronger you have your neck, right? So the next one, we're gonna try also do a push-up. The push-up you can do regularly just right here. Why we have to do this? So you have to have a strong arm once you do high flip. You have strong hands, better speed to kick and to go faster or smooth. So very important. You need to training as well for push-up. Somewhere, anywhere, you have the surface or wall in the low. So you do high flip, go right there, right? Get straight, and then you try to really hook straight. And you try to go down, and you push, and you go down, and you go push. So keep training. So once you got prepared those things, strong arm, strong neck, and now we go to the next step. Yeah, so make sure you can to stretch and to make the arch. Okay, great. So finally we're gonna to go next step. Okay, Jaden, come here. Can you put your both feet right here? Alright, and you put your both hand right here, down. Alright, and then you put your head down, and then slowly, okay, kick straight, position, strong your neck, and then we kick to a brace. There you go, stick. Okay, very nice. Okay, that's perfect. And push it up. Very nice. Okay, good job, Jaden. All everything together, right? Put your hand, you put your head, and push your hand to make a beautiful high flip, right? So the start position, so you naturally just open. This is not the good way if you just straight go down your head, you start to almost like squash, right? So you put your head, so put your hand. The common preference, usually people are to make their chin down and they make a roll, right? Because once you go, your neck is not straight enough and not strong. So a lot of people do, once they go chin down, you go down straight, go to a roll, it's not high flip. You think so almost use your full head to touch the floor. Actually, once your head go to the floor, then roll to middle of your head. So this part, that's the best position. So forehead, you say like forehead, and then you roll and then you go straight, right? And then you push your hand and you kick over and you get up. So very important, don't make your chin down, stay straight your head, right? Talk about what should your hand do? So as we are practicing for our push-up to make your arm strong, so your hand is really important once you do high flip. Okay, go. One. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I want to do too hard 3 in a row. But how you can to get that speed to do 3 in a row? So I want you really to use your hand to push forward very hard to get that speed, and I believe you can do more. Yeah, let's do 3 in a row, but I want that speed. Very important. Strong your neck, be safe, and push your hand hard on the floor. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's great. That's great speed. Very nice. Now you should to know how landing your feet for high flip. But just the way, the intention, you kick straight, and then you kick far, and you try come back landing. So this way can generate a really nice of the high flip. And then once you do speed, and then this will also can increase your speed. You can do 2 and 3 or 10, 20. Okay. Practice, keep practice, 1,000 times training to become better kung fu. You can stand up for high flip. Great. And the last thing I want to show you how to do high flip without hands. With enough training, and you can have your strong arm, good technique, you'll be safe. I don't want you try something you don't know. So try with a good high standing first, to good high flip many times. You know the technique right, you feel safe, and then you can to do it also without hand. The technique is no different. It's needed to come back the first 2. So you have to do a lot of head standing. You got to really make strong of your 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, great job. And thank you very much, Jaden, to be a part of this video and to help others to get high flip step by step. Are you happy? You did great thing, very good. So let's attention and come. Right, thank you very much, and see you next video. Thank you.